In this video I am going to be making a hair growth oil. This is for all hair types. All hair types can use this. So I have only one ingredient here. I'm going to be working with blended clove. So this is the oil that I'm going to be working with. This is olive oil or olive oil. This is native olive oil. I am going to be working with two oils. So I'm having olive oil. So this one here is jojoba oil. All right. If you have coconut oil, you can use coconut oil. In case if you don't have this jojoba oil, you are free to skip it. All right. Children can also use it. I am going to be using a double boiling method. So this is my water. I'm going to leave it for the next days, okay? I'll see you tomorrow. See very good. Are you saying it? It's ready. So guys, this is it. Our oil is ready. Today is making it 4 days, okay? I keep it for like 4 days. 4 days. So it's time to remove it or sieve it. This is for massive hair growth, guys. It's for massive hair growth. So let's see. So guys, this is our oil. It's ready. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in my next video. Our clove oil is ready. It's for massive hair growth. Are you saying it? It's ready.